What's up, my punginos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this well above military drop grade protective 9H hardness tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung S26 Ultra. This is from the folks at SmartDevil, which is a great way to have an easy installation on your phone to be able to give you that sense of comfort, scratch resistant, and even water resistant barrier. It's got high sensitivity to touch, drop protective, scratch resistant, and even dust free. It's got a really easy applicator that is simply a cover the phone and pull through with a one press application to make it super easy for you to be able to install. With that said, before we jump into it here, the folks at SmartDevil did provide this to me complimentary and they sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description are the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's now unbox this, demonstrate it on your S26 Ultra, and show you what you get yourself into. I'm always prone to having a mishap here for the first week of owning a brand new phone. I always forget to put a screen protector on here, and putting on SmartDevil is one that I recommend. It comes with a couple of extra screens, which is great for that long-term future proofing, and it's easy to unbox, and the installation process is even simpler. You can see here it comes with the extra screens. It's got the cleaning and applicator process, as well as your applicator with one installed on there already. You do have instructions here with the alignment tool that makes it really easy to be able to apply. Prep is easy, 1, 2, 3 prep. You got the wet wipes, the microfiber, and even stickers. This anti-microbial will get rid of your oils and dust, get rid of those fingerprints and smudges. Then you can go and hit it with the microfiber cloth. While you're prepping, you can kind of leave the cloth on there. Here is the applicator. We're gonna go ahead and find the top, place it over the screen. There you go. Then we're gonna go ahead now and you're gonna hold your phone down with nice pressure and pull this orange tab with consistent strength here, not stopping. It's gonna peel the back side and then the adhesive side on it. And then one touch here, allowing and applying pressure there is going to have it attach, and you can go ahead and take it off now as it's adhered to the phone. There is this piece of plastic. There's this top layer here that you can take off. As you can see here, that one press, easy pull installation is so repeatable as well as consistent. You can see how centered it is. You do not have a cutout for the front-facing camera, which I like. You still have access to your fingerprint reader, which is nice. It opens up super easily as well. With that said, SmartDevil has an awesome way of applying this really sturdy, scratch resistant and fingerprint resistant screen protector. 9H hardness is super repeatable. There's no cutout there for the front facing camera, and it's nice and soft here to the touch, still allowing you to open up your phone with liquid speed here with that fingerprint sensor. With that said, the folks at SmartDevil did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.